Looking for the perfect electric bicycle in 2025? Whether you're commuting through the city or tackling off-road adventures, we've handpicked the top 5 best e-bikes that offer power, performance, and value. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the Idotata K300, a foldable multifunctional electric bike built for city commuting and short trips. It features a 400-watt high-speed silent motor, up to 30 Ah lithium battery, and a maximum range of 120 kilometers per charge. With triple shock absorption, energy recovery braking, and a speed of 35 kilometers per hour, it ensures a smooth and efficient ride. Designed with comfort in mind, it has anti-skid explosion-proof tires, a USB charging phone holder, and a lightweight iron frame. CE certified and IPX4 waterproof, the K300 is power, convenience, and comfort in one. Item number 4. Introducing the Vivi AMH 0002 folding electric bike, your perfect daily ride. Powered by a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt removable lithium battery, it delivers up to 50 miles per charge. Enjoy 5 riding modes, including cruise control for effortless travel. The bike features a durable carbon steel frame, 26-inch wheels, dual disc brakes, and dual shock absorbers for a smooth, safe ride. With 21-speed gears and foldable design, it's ideal for commuters, city riders, and adventurers alike. Experience power, convenience, and comfort, all in one smart e-bike. Item number 3. Meet the AOSTIRMOTOR S07 electric bike, built for speed and strength. Powered by a 750-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt lithium battery, it reaches speeds up to 45 km per hour with a range of 25 to 35 km in pure power mode. The strong aluminum alloy frame and 26-inch wheels ensure durability and comfort. It features a SWU LCD display for tracking speed, mileage, and battery levels. Charging takes just 4 to 6 hours. Backed by a 1-year warranty on frame, battery, and motor, the S07 is a reliable, powerful ride for your daily adventures. Item number 2. Introducing the EKX L1 electric bike, a luxury ride built for performance. Equipped with a powerful 1,000-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 15.6 hours lithium battery, it reaches speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour with a 50-kilometer range. The 20-inch fat tires, Springer fork, and rear shock absorber ensure comfort and stability on any terrain. Weighing about 34 kilograms, it supports riders up to 150 kilograms and suits heights from 150 to 185 centimeters. With an IP56 waterproof rating through 4-hour charging time and advanced display, the EKX L1 is perfect for thrill seekers and urban explorers alike. Item number 1. Discover the Hees T1 electric bike. Compact, powerful, and practical. It features a 48-volt 400-watt high-speed brushless motor and a 10 Ah Shengli lithium battery, reaching speeds up to 32 km per hour and a range of 30 to 35 kilometers. Designed with 14-inch tires, dual disc brakes, front suspension, and LED headlights, it ensures a safe, smooth ride. Weighing just 22 kilograms, it supports up to 330 pounds and includes a carbon steel shopping basket, password lock, and toolkit. With a 3 to 5 hour charge time, the Hees T1 is perfect for daily errands, short commutes, and city cruising. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.